Hello po, ako po si Mai and welcome to Tagalog Beyond Basics.
Anong ginawa mo noong linggo? What did you do last weekend?
This question is very common in your oral proficiency interview to test your ability to narrate past events clearly, logically, and in complete sentences. So you should be able to describe past experiences using accurate verb forms and organized narration. In this lesson, you'll learn 50 natural Tagalog phrases you can use to answer the question, anong ginawa mo noong linggo? O, anong ginawa mo noong Sabado at Linggo? I'm going to divide them into 5 sections so you can study them in manageable parts and build your narration skills step by step. First, we'll do the time markers. Then we will move on to the home activities. We will also cover errands and outside activities. And of course, we'll include family and social activities. And lastly, leisure and personal time. Handa ka na ba? Magsimula na po tayo. Noong linggo, last weekend. Noong nakaraang linggo, the previous weekend. Noong Sabado, last Saturday. Noong linggo, last Sunday. Kinabukasan, the next day or the following day. Kinahapunan, toward late afternoon. Inagabihan, later that night or that night. Pagkatapos noon, after that. Tapos, then. Sa bandang huli, in the end or finally. Gumising ako ng maaga. I woke up early. Nagluto ako para sa pamilya. I cooked for the family. Naglinis ako ng bahay. I cleaned the house. Nagpahinga lang ako sa bahay. I just rested at home. Nag-ayos ako ng mga gamit ko. I organized my things. Naglaba ako. I did the laundry. Nagplancha ako ng mga damit. I ironed clothes. Nagbasa ako ng libro. I read a book. Nagtabas ako ng damo. I cut the grass. Naghugas at naglinis ako ng sasakyan ko. I washed and cleaned my car. Pumunta ako sa palengke. I went to the market. We use palengke to refer to the public market where we buy groceries like fresh food, meat, fish, and daily essentials. Namasyal ako sa mall. I strolled around the mall. Namili ako ng mga kailangan ko. I shopped for what I needed. Naglakad-lakad ako sa labas. I took a walk outside. Nagpagasolina ako. I filled up gas or I put gas in my car. Kumain ako sa labas kasama ang mga kaibigan ko. I ate out with my friends. Nagmaneho ako papunta sa bayan. I drove to town. Nagpagupit ako ng buhok. I got a haircut. Nagbayad ako ng kuryente. I paid the electric bill. Pumunta ako sa bangko. I went to the bank. Nakipagkita ako sa mga kaibigan. I met with friends. Bumisita ako sa pamilya. I visited family. Nagkwentuhan kami ng pamilya ko. My family and I chatted. Naglaro kami ng larong video. We played video games. Nagsimba kami. We went to church. Dumalo kami ng salo-salo. We attended a party. Kumain kami ng hapunan sa labas ng asawa ko. My wife and I had a dinner out. Pumunta kami sa tabing dagat. We went to the seaside. Pumunta kami sa lawa para mangisda. We went to the lake to fish. Nanaso kami kasama ang kaibigan ko. My friend and I went hunting. Nanood ako ng pelikula. I watched a movie. Nakinig ako ng musika. I listened to music. Nag-ehersisyo ako sa himnasyo. I exercised at the gym. Nagmuni-muni ako sa bahay. I spent some quiet time thinking at home. Gumawa ako ng takdang aralin sa klase ko sa Tagalog. I did my homework for my Tagalog class. Nagplano ako para sa susunod na linggo. I planned for the upcoming week. Namalagi lang ako sa bahay para tahimik. I just stayed home for some peace and quiet. Nanood ako ng paborito kong serye sa telebisyon. I watched my favorite TV series. Nagpahinalong ako para handa sa abalang araw bukas. I just rested so I'll be ready for a busy day tomorrow. Hinanda ko ang sarili ko para sa mga gawain bukas. I prepared myself for the task I have tomorrow. Now, you have 50 natural Tagalog phrases you can use to confidently answer the question, anong ginawa mo noong linggo? O anong ginawa mo noong Sabado at Linggo? You can choose the phrases that match your own weekend activities, practice them out loud, mix and match them, and build your own weekend narration. The more you use them, the more fluent and natural you'll sound. I hope this helps you formulate a natural, flowing past tense narration and gives you the confidence to practice for your OPI. Maraming salamat po. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod ha. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Paalam!